The last video in this series is sorting in maps. Map in Java is basically deals with the key value pair of data. The key can be a number and value can be primitive type or object types. Okay, so if the value is object type, we can use comparator to sort the data, right? We'll see that. Here in this program, I have taken a hash map, and to store the result, I have taken four linked hash map because I'm doing four different types of sorting with the same data. And note here I am using linked hash map, not hash map to store the results because hash map doesn't guarantee the insertion order of the data, whereas linked hash map does. All right, so let's take some data in the map. I have taken integer and integer both key and values, so all the integer I have inserted. First of all, you cannot use stream with map directly, so you need to take entry set. Entry set returns a set equivalent of your map data. So map.entry set, then you can do stream, then sorted, and whether you are sorting by key or sorting by value, you need to mention here inside the sorted method map.entry comparing by key or you are comparing by value. So all this thing done in memory, you need to collect the results in your result map, right? So for each audit, then in the lambda function, I'm putting every element. I'm checking by x sorted map dot put x dot get key, x dot get value. Right. Similarly, for the second one, sorted map entry comparing by value. For each ordered, same thing I'm putting in sorted map 2. Right. Third and fourth, I'm doing little bit different by collecting the values into the sorted map at the end. All right. So my map entry set stream sorted, I'm comparing by key dot collect. Okay, collect a map. In the map, how would you like to collect the data? So it's the key, then next element should be the value. If there is any collision between old values and new values, I'm using the old value. Last parameter is of a supplier. Supplier basically provides variable or object. All right. So here we are going to store this in a linked hash map. So similarly, the fourth one, we are doing comparing by value. Then we are collecting the result. All right. So let's run the program and see the output. First one should be comparing by key. So the keys are sorted. Second one is comparing by value. Check the values are in sorted 22, 33, 211, 333, and 644. And the third one we are comparing by key. The keys are in sorted form. Fourth one, we are comparing by value. So the values are in sorted form. Another example when the value holds an object, right? So I have taken a employee class where ID and name are there, and we have a constructor to create object. Here I have taken a hash map and some data in the hash map. Keys are numbers and values are objects of employee. All right. So how we can do the sorting here? Entry set stream sorted. We are sorting by the keys, okay, which are integer. Then collecting, collectors to map. And another way of sorting is I'm taking a sorted map, sorted, comparing by value. And since it is an object and I want to sort it by ID, so I'll pass the comparator object, right? And how we can create the comparator object? Sort by ID. implements comparator class of employee, right? And we must override the compare method. Then for each ordered, for every element, I'm putting that in the sorted map. All right. Then last statement, I'm displaying all the elements in the sorted map. Let's run and see the output. First one is by key, and the second one is by value and by employee ID, right? So first one is by key. The keys are in sorted form 11, 14, 31, and the second one is by values 11, 7, 31 in this order. So if you check 11, okay, the first ID is 2, 7 ID is 3, all right, 31 ID is 5. So it is sorted by ID of employee. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the new series. Thank you.